The universe, a realm brimming with unknowns, once again stumped scientists with an astonishing revelation. In a groundbreaking discovery that's turning textbooks upside down, international teams of researchers have made a finding so extraordinary, it's being hailed as the most significant in recent astronomical history. The LIGO Virgo KAGRA collaboration, an international network of gravitational-wave detectors, has completed its richest observation run to date, dubbed AVAR, launched in May. This 4-month campaign has yielded a treasure trove of data that challenges our current understanding of the universe and opens up entirely new research directions. The numbers involved are simply staggering, hinting at a complexity within the cosmos we have yet to fully grasp. This discovery not only underscores the immense scale of the universe, but also serves as a humbling reminder that despite our advancements in space exploration and astronomy, there is still much left to uncover. As researchers delve deeper into this enigmatic secret hidden within the gravitational waves, they continue to unearth new mysteries about the universe, keeping the spirit of scientific curiosity alive and well.
If you want more real space discoveries, explained clearly and without hype, hit subscribe and stay ahead of the next breakthrough.